Here we are, attempt number 2. This is the second heater. The first one came, the box was all caved in. The housing was dented. The heater, after the first 5-10 minutes of going, it poured gas or diesel out the tank fitting at the bottom. So let's open this one and set it up and see how it goes. It's the exact same model. So anyway, the first thing I did was I bought a 90-degree elbow for the exhaust. And I also ordered a roll of exhaust tape. I'm not going to wrap the exhaust until after the first good burn. Get the chemicals off and then wrap it. I don't know if that's right or wrong. I figured that's what I'm going to do. It's a Vevor heater. Vevor, Vevor, whatever. Vevor, Vevor, whatever. So I threw everything out that it came with because I figured, well, if it's just got a dent in the side here. Son of a It's got the same dent as the one I sent back. Wait a minute. I didn't send it back long enough ago for them to send me back the old parts. There's no way. No freaking way. But look at that, it's got a dent. Right where the other one was dented too. Guess we are tearing it apart. About 8-foot heater hose too. The one they send you is only a couple feet long, a few feet long. Alright, this is bizarre. Let's take a look. Can't understand how it had a dent. Just like the other one. Dropped the original off on Tuesday. Yesterday was Thanksgiving. Today, Friday. This replacement shows up with a dent. Same place. The one I sent back at. Wish you a safe journey too. Alright. Alright. I'm not willing to try any much more than that. Alright, now we're going to remember how to prime it. Prime the pump! A little bit of fray on the electrical connection already. And shipping. A bunch of bullshit. Fuel lines right up against the raw edge. Shit wouldn't fly in automotive. Bunch of bows. So right off the bat, I'm gonna have to get electrical tape, something tape off all those lines that are rubbing against that steel bracket. And we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't leak. Stay tuned.